Hello everyone, myself Kavita. I'm going to teach regarding the megasporogenesis in sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So in the previous chapter we have discussed about the cell cycle and cell division. So how the gametes are formed. So through the meiosis. Through the meiosis the gamete cells are formed. So here we are going to discuss how the female gametes are formed. So before that we are going to discuss about the formation of megaspores. How the megaspores are formed? They are formed through the process called megasporogenesis. We are going to discuss about the megasporogenesis. So what is megasporogenesis? So it is the process of formation of haploid megaspores through meiosis from megaspore mother cell. So how the megasporogenesis is going to take place? So it is the process of formation of haploid megaspores. So from what? They are formed from megaspore mother cell which are diploid. So these megaspore mother cells, they undergo meiosis, one meiotic division, right? After that they are going to form the megaspores, so which are haploid, right? So it is a process of formation of megaspore, haploid megaspore from megaspore mother cell through meiosis. It is called as megasporogenesis. Fine. How these megaspore mother cells are formed? So where they are present? So we have discussed about the ovules. So ovules are nothing but megasporangia. So we call it as megasporangia or ovule. Ovule or megasporangia. Right? So there is a central mass of cells. So there is a central mass of cells. They are called nucellus, right? So they are diploid in nature. So every structure before the meiosis takes place is diploid, right? So the central mass of cell, it is called as nucellus, right? So which is diploid. So this is the micropylar region and this is the chalazal region. So one of the cell which is present in the nucellar cell, so in the megasporangia or ovule, right? So one of the cell which is present towards the micropylar region. So this get differentiated to form the megaspore mother cell, right? Which is diploid. Megaspore mother cell, it is formed towards the topmost region of the ovule. So where there is micropylar region. So in the micropylar region, one of the cell, it undergoes differentiation. So it is not directly formed into MMC, right? So there are archisporium cells which undergoes differentiation to form primary sporogenous cell. So this is primary sporogenous cell. So they divides to form megaspore mother cell, right? So this megaspore mother cell, it will undergo this meiotic process, meiotic division, and ultimately it is going to form the megaspore, which are haploid megaspore. So let's see the process of megaspore, how it is formed through the diagram. So we have seen how the diploid megaspore mother cells are formed, right? So this diploid megaspore mother cell, so it has rich cytoplasm and then the prominent nucleus. So well developed bigger nucleus, the nucleus is bigger and then there is dense cytoplasm. So this is MMC. So it is surrounded by the nucellar cell. So this undergoes meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 and it gives rise to megaspore dyad. So this is one and this is another one. Megaspore dyad. So this is called megaspore. This is MMC, which is diploid, and megaspore dyad. So megaspore dyad is formed. It will undergo meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 and then it forms the linear tetrad. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called linear tetrad, megaspore tetrad. So linear megaspore tetrad. So which are haploid in nature, all the megaspores are haploid. This is the chalazal region and this is the micropylar region. There are 4 megaspores which are formed in the last, finally there are 4 megaspore cells which are haploid, they are formed. And the 3 cells starting from micropylar region, from this end, 1, 2, 3. All the 3 gets degenerated. And the one which remains towards the chalazal region becomes functional megaspore. So it is called functional megaspore. So this functional megaspore, so it is going to look like this. So this is called functional megaspore. So this functional megaspore later on it undergoes mitotic division to form the embryo sac. So what happens in the megasporogenesis? First there is a formation of MMC, then MMC undergoes meiotic division and then it forms the haploid megaspores. So this is the megaspore mother cell which is diploid. So it is a large cell. It is not directly formed in the megasporangia, that is ovule, right? So there is a archisporium cell which undergoes division to form primary sporogenous cell and then this primary sporogenous cell divides to form the megaspore mother cell. So which is diploid. It undergoes meiosis 1 to form megaspore dyad and then meiosis 2 to form linear megaspore tetrad, right? There are 4 megaspores are formed. Out of 4, the 3 starting from micropylar region, 1, 2, 3, all the 3 gets degenerated and the one which remains towards the chalazal region, so it becomes functional. This is called functional megaspore. So later on this functional megaspore participates in the formation of female gametophyte or the embryo sac. So this is the functional megaspore. So this process is called as megasporogenesis.